Good afternoon, Jeep friends, Overland adventurers. Just wanted to show you guys or do a quick unboxing and a review. Well, it's not really an unboxing, I've already had it unboxed. A review of this little Amazon find. It is an Avantech, and there's several different manufacturers. This is just the particular brand that I stumbled across and picked up. Model number LE003, Avantech motion activated nightlight. And here it is here. It is a very simple rechargeable via USB port, which I really love, nightlight. It's also motion activated. Right here at my middle finger is the motion sensor. So I don't think the camera will get a very good detail on that, but there is a motion sensor right there. There we go. Motion sensor activates only when it's dark, so you're not wasting batteries. You can see on the back, that's actually a magnetic strip. So why am I excited about this thing? It's about a foot long, magnetic strip on the back, recharges via USB. I believe it says about a 2300 milliamp battery. 1 watt, 14 LEDs. Doesn't say how big the battery. I'm pretty sure the Amazon page said 2300 milliamps. But why did I even get this? Let me show you. You guys all know I've got the Synergy Baja rack here, which I store a variety of gear on there. And what that allows me is space underneath, yes, for storage like you see here, but when I'm sleeping, obviously my blankets go forward and my legs are underneath here, my head up at the passenger seat. So just jumping into the rig here. So here's inside the rig. Here's my Synergy rack from the rear, in behind the driver's side in the rear passenger area, or the rear driver's side area, I should be saying. It's a little snug right now. I don't have the driver's seat forward, but you'll get the idea. Here's the rack, and I'm laying, my main torso is where I'm sitting right now, and my legs go underneath the rack. Believe it or not, you do get lots of room. But what I found is my overhead light right here is a little bit too bright. It does have a couple of modes. There's high brightness, there's low brightness. Even on low brightness, when it's pitch dark outside, and I'm trying to watch a movie where I have the tablet, when I have the tablet mounted for movies, it goes right here, it does cast a bit of a glare onto it. And that's, you know, first world problems, as they like to say. But it's also distracting because if I hear something rustling outside, it's hard to look out because you've got the glare off the glass from this particular light here. I got thinking, you know what? A light mounted underneath here would be a perfect thing. So I went to the local hardware store. I was looking at those LED strip lights. Then I went to Amazon because, of course, Amazon's going to be a fraction of that price. And then I got to thinking, I'm going to get those, and I'm going to have to wire them up. They were, I think, 30 bucks at the local store, about 15 or so online. But then I'm going to have to wire them up. I'm on the road right now. I've been on the road since March, so I'm maybe day 90-ish, something like that. And then I saw this thing. And I'm thinking, this is perfect. It's rechargeable. The battery's going to last a while because it's LED. I don't think I noticed that it was magnetic or not. But when I got it and I saw the magnetic strip, it's like, you know what? Done. Installed in a position that I can adjust if needed. And like I said, done. In seconds. Perfect. How can you go wrong? So it's got a 4-position switch. Switch number 1 is off. Switch number 2 is on. fully. Switch number 3 is motion sensing high brightness. Switch number 4 is motion sensing low brightness. So I've got it switched to fully on right now on high brightness. I wish there was a fully on low brightness, but there's not. But there it is there. This is the position I normally leave it in. It'll be behind the tablet when I have the tablet mounted. And it casts the perfect amount of light in underneath the shelf that it lights up my area. I can see to do things in here. And it doesn't give me glare on the glass, so I can still see outside. You want to know what else I love about this light? Did I tell you it's magnetic? So guess what? Instant tailgate cooking light. I do have lights up here. I have another one over here that I can use if the one's not bright enough. But you know what? Installed, done. You can switch that to motion sensing and not have to worry about it. Open your tailgate, comes on when you need it. Let me show you something else. You guys probably think I'm nuts for being 7 minutes in on a video. And there I just busted it into a million pieces. Not quite. Thought I did there for a minute. Position number 1 still works. Actually, position number 2. Position number 1 is still off. So anyway, you open the box. You of course get an extra USB cable. Like we all need more of those kicking around. You get your little instruction manual booklet. So they give you this strip with the backing tape that you can mount your LED light to. Just like so. Peel the backing off, stick that onto something plastic. You can stick it on up on your glass. Where are we? Stick it on your glass here. And you've got low cost, no wires, foolproof installation, LED lighting in the back of your rig. I'm going to go ahead and buy at least one more of these. You guys know I've got the cargo box up there. I think that'll be a perfect opportunity to put one actually inside. So at night I can open that thing up, lift it up, have the lights come on, see exactly what I'm looking for in the cargo box. Like I said, tons of opportunity for one of these. If you're sleeping in your Jeep like I do, if you want an outdoor light because you're getting out and you want to go pee or whatever, slap that on the side of your rig for overnight. You wouldn't leave it on driving down the road. It's not a very solid magnet. Stick that on there, have your motion sensing on. When you get up in the middle of the night, even on a rooftop tent, coming down at the rooftop tent, put a couple of these outside your rig. Come down the ladder, go pee or grab your midnight snack or whatever it is you're doing, and your area lights come on. When you're done your trip, pull them off. Take them into the house, plug them into the Jeep, whatever you need to do. They recharge. And you've got portable, no installation, hassle-free LED lighting for your Jeep. So that's it for now. Link down below for where to buy these. If you got some interesting ideas for some creative uses, leave them in the comments below. Other than that, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and follow the rest of the journey. Thanks for watching.